Autumn arrives, leaves change. A fresh start feels possible. This season invites us to cleanse and organize our homes. We welcome warmth and comfort. Let's continue our journey to a tidier, more joyful home. We often focus on bedrooms and living spaces, but what about the laundry room? This small room holds big potential. It can be a source of stress, or it can be a haven of peace and order. Let's turn your laundry room into a haven, a place where chores feel lighter, a space that sparks joy. Together, we will create a laundry room that is both functional and beautiful. Before we get started, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any episodes. Leave us a comment below telling us about your favorite laundry room deep cleaning trick. Now, are you ready? Let's begin. The laundry room is often overlooked. It's a space we tend to ignore, thinking it's just a place to wash and dry clothes. We think of it as purely functional, a room that serves a single purpose. But this small space deserves our attention. With a little effort, it can become a sanctuary of order and efficiency. A clean and organized laundry room makes life easier. It saves time and reduces stress. Imagine this. You walk into a cluttered laundry room. Clothes overflow from hampers, creating a chaotic environment. Detergent spills stain the shelves, adding to the mess. You feel overwhelmed before you even begin. The disarray makes the task seem monumental. This is not a space that inspires joy. It feels more like a burden. Now picture this. You open the door to a bright, airy laundry room. The difference is night and day. Everything is in its place. Labeled baskets and neatly arranged supplies greet you. The scent is fresh and clean, perhaps with a hint of flowers. You feel a sense of calm wash over you. The organized space makes the task at hand seem manageable. Washing clothes feels less like a chore and more like a satisfying routine. This is the power of a tidy laundry room. It transforms a mundane task into a pleasant experience. It can change your whole perspective. A well-organized space can uplift your mood and make daily chores more enjoyable. It can bring a sense of peace to your daily routine. The serenity of an organized space can be a small but significant joy. Are you ready to experience this transformation? Take a step towards a more organized and peaceful life. Let's transform your laundry room. We will move through this process together step by step. Don't feel overwhelmed. We will break it down into manageable tasks. Take everything out. Yes, everything. Empty shelves, cabinets, and hampers. This allows you to see the space clearly and start fresh. Hold each item in your hands. Does it spark joy? Is it useful? If not, thank the item and let it go. Donate, recycle, or discard items that no longer serve you. Now, the fun begins. With a clean cloth and your favorite cleaner, wipe down every surface. Clean the washing machine and dryer inside and out. Don't forget baseboards and light fixtures. Once the room is sparkling clean, it's time to organize. We'll delve deeper into organization strategies in the following sections. Stay tuned. Deep cleaning involves more than just tidying up. It's about giving your laundry room a thorough cleanse. Let's tackle those often neglected areas. Run an empty cycle with hot water and vinegar. This cleans the drum and removes lingering odors. Wipe down the exterior, including the top, sides, and behind the machine. Remove the lint trap and clean it thoroughly. Vacuum the lint trap housing to prevent fire hazards. Wipe down the dryer's exterior and the area around the exhaust vent. Sweep or vacuum the floor to remove dust and debris. Then, mop the floor with your preferred cleaner, paying attention to corners and crevices. Don't forget to clean the walls, windows, and ceiling. A truly clean laundry room sparkles from top to bottom. Now that your laundry room is sparkling clean, let's create a system for lasting organization. A well-organized laundry room makes laundry day a breeze. Group similar items together. Keep laundry detergents, fabric softeners, and stain removers in one area. Store cleaning supplies separately. Shelving units are your best friend. They maximize vertical space, allowing you to store more items in a small area. Use baskets or bins on shelves to corral smaller items. Labels are key to maintaining order. Label shelves, baskets, and containers. This makes it easy to find what you need and put things back in their designated places. Remember, organization is an ongoing process. Be patient with yourself and take it one step at a time. Before we move on, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and free subscribe to The Big Sweep for more cleaning and organization tips. It only takes a few seconds, and it really helps the channel grow. Laundry itself can feel overwhelming, but with a few simple strategies, you can conquer the laundry mountain and maintain a sense of calm. Designate specific days for washing different types of laundry. This prevents clothes from piling up and makes the task feel more manageable. Place hampers or baskets designated for different laundry types in your laundry room. Sort clothes as you take them off, saving time on laundry day. Once clothes are dry, fold them immediately and put them away. This prevents wrinkles and keeps your laundry room tidy. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference. Start with 1 or 2 new habits and gradually incorporate more as you go. Laundry rooms often house a variety of supplies. From detergents and fabric softeners to ironing boards and drying racks, these items need designated storage spaces. Transfer laundry detergents, fabric softeners, and other liquids into clear containers. This makes it easy to see when supplies are running low. Use baskets or bins to store smaller items like dryer sheets, clothespins, and stain remover sticks. Label the containers for easy identification. Maximize wall space with wall-mounted organizers. Hang ironing boards, drying racks, and mops to free up floor space. Remember, the key is to create a system that works for you and your space. Be creative and have fun with it. Keeping your laundry room in top shape doesn't have to be a daunting task. With a few simple steps, you can ensure it remains a clean and organized space. Congratulations! Your laundry room is now a haven of peace and order. A well-maintained laundry room not only makes chores more pleasant, but also extends the life of your appliances and keeps your home running smoothly. But how do you maintain this newfound cleanliness and organization? The key is to incorporate small, manageable tasks into your daily, weekly, and monthly routines. It's simpler than you think. By breaking down the upkeep into smaller tasks, you can avoid feeling overwhelmed and keep your laundry room in pristine condition. Do a quick daily tidy up. Spend a few minutes each day tidying up the laundry room. This can include putting away any stray items, folding laundry, and ensuring everything is in its designated place. Wipe down surfaces, and make sure all cleaning supplies are stored properly. This daily habit will prevent clutter from building up and empty the lint trap. This not only keeps your dryer running efficiently, but also reduces the risk of fire. Once a week, give your laundry room a quick clean. Wipe down surfaces, including countertops and appliances, to remove any dust or detergent residue. Sweep or vacuum the floor and empty the trash. This helps maintain a clean environment and prevents dirt and debris from accumulating. Once a month, dedicate some time to a more thorough cleaning. This involves tasks that aren't needed as frequently but are essential for long-term maintenance. Clean the washing machine and dryer, scrub the sink, and check for any signs of mold or mildew. This ensures your appliances are in good working order and your laundry room stays hygienic. And organize shelves and drawers. Take this time to declutter and make sure everything is easily accessible. Remember, consistency is key. By incorporating small cleaning and organizing tasks into your routine, you can prevent larger messes and keep your laundry room functional and pleasant. You can maintain a sparkling laundry room year-round. A little effort each day goes a long way in preserving the cleanliness and order of your space. Imagine walking into a laundry room that feels like a breath of fresh air, where everything is in its place and the sunlight streams through the window, casting a warm glow. A clean and organized laundry room is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a space that supports your daily routines and enhances your overall quality of life. It can have a positive impact on your well-being and your life. When your surroundings are orderly, it reflects in your mental state, making you feel more relaxed and content. A cluttered and chaotic space can contribute to feelings of stress and overwhelm. Imagine the frustration of not being able to find what you need amidst the mess. A clean and organized laundry room promotes a sense of calm and control. When everything is in its place, you can breathe easier and feel more in control of your environment. When everything has its place, you can find what you need quickly and easily. This means less time spent searching for supplies and more time getting things done. This saves time and makes laundry day less of a chore. Imagine completing your laundry tasks with ease, feeling a sense of accomplishment as you go. Studies have shown that a clean and organized environment can boost mood and promote feelings of happiness and well-being. The simple act of maintaining order can have profound effects on your mental health. Remember, your laundry room should be a space that brings you joy, not stress. It should be a sanctuary where you can find peace amidst the daily hustle and bustle. Invest in creating a haven of peace and order, and reap the benefits for years to come. Take the time to organize and maintain your laundry space, and you'll find that it pays off in countless ways, making your daily routine smoother and more enjoyable. Your sparkling laundry room awaits. Congratulations on embarking on this journey to a cleaner and more organized laundry room. Remember, transforming any space takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and enjoy the process. Start small. Choose one task, like cleaning the washing machine or organizing your laundry supplies. Once you've completed one task, move on to the next. Don't try to do everything at once. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. Envision your ideal laundry room, a space that is both functional and beautiful, a room that sparks joy every time you walk in. Now, take action and make it happen. Your sparkling laundry room awaits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.